This is a bean paste soup.
Korean name?
Korean name 청국장.
Cheonggukjang.
Yeah, 청국장. It says all natural probiotics, bunch of probiotics inside.
And what's this one here?
This is 송편.
Songpyeon.
Yeah, rice cake for the 추석.
형님 뭐지? 뜨거운 거 봅니다.
Right. So we transfer our rice
Yes.
from our independent bowl to a rice bowl. And then add some hot water on top of it.
Hot water.
A little junk.
It's this one.
And some hot water. And it's sizzling hot because the bowl is hot. And then cover it up. And at the
cover
end
it.
you've got some rice soup there. See what this tastes like. That looks good. Fermented bean paste and tofu.
Yeah, this is a temple recipe here. Everything is for.
Yeah, it seems like temple food, really.
Yeah.
Bean paste soup. Taste what this. See what this tastes like. Flavor's not too strong.
That's strong.
It's no. It's really nice.
I see.
Usually the
Bean
fermented bean paste soup has got fish in
Yeah.
it, but this one is very
This
very
one,
simple.
Yeah, no fish, no meat. Do you take egg?
Yeah.
Egg, okay.
In the monastery we eat eggs. Strictly, they should be eggs that are unfertilized, but
Oh, okay, yeah.
kimchi. Shigun. Spinach. And some really nice mushrooms there.
괜찮으세요?
괜찮아.
Is this food specific to this area?
No, no.
No.
Yeah. It's popular. Yeah.
청국장이라 이름이 뭐 중국 청국하고 상관이 있는 건가?
천국 고기 아닌 게 아닌
Make a
식당이라
little gim roll like that.
이 식당 저보다 그냥 고깃집이거든요, 사실.
Very nice.
So this 청국장 actually came from the Mongolia.
Mongolian?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
So Mongolians put their beans under their saddle, and it's quite warm, so it's fermented. So become the yeah. So it became this fermented bean paste.
It's very tasty, Jimmy.
Tasty?
Yeah, very unusual, very tasty.
Not too strong for you?
Not too strong.
Oh,
a little bit
okay.
spicy. Sometimes the fermented bean is very, very, very strong, but this isn't very strong. So quite light colored.
It's fermented and a lot of probiotics. Good
Lot
for
of
your
probiotics,
good
yeah.
for your tummy.
I found the temple food in general is very good for your
청국장을
stomach.
먹어보니까 소화가 참 잘 돼요. 소화가.
So Joon is just looking up the name of this root, see what it is in Korean.
This should be called just the local name is dodok.
Dodok.
Yeah, but it explains like mountain herb whose roots have restorative properties. Restorative properties.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
No Latin name, scientific
Latin
name.
name there should be Phalaenopsis.
Oh, Todonopsis, so it has a
Todonopsis.
Korean name and a Latin name.
Yeah.
Mint? Yeah.
Phalaenopsis.
Okay. You can text it to me.
Okay.
So it must be specific to Korea then.
Yep.
Let's see how this rice soup is doing. Oh yeah. Actually, you know they do this in the monastery as well. In the monastery, then they pour hot water into the rice bowl afterwards. It's a very good tradition because then nobody has to clean up, right?
Right.
Everybody takes their own bowl, put some tea in it, and drink it down.
Right.
Very nice.
No food waste.
Yeah. Well, it seemed to be very, very bad even to waste 1 grain of rice. So if anybody leaves food in their bowl, then they have to drink out of everybody else's bowl. It's like a kind of punishment. This spinach is more like callaloo. We get Jamaican spinach. It's kind of coarse spinach, but it's very delicious. And the todo, as I say, is like medicine.
아침에 몇 시에 나오셨어요?
6시 반.
That's my uncle there, Uncle Kyogo, Dad's young brother. I'm gonna try this rice soup now. It's been sat there for about 10 minutes.
아, 우리 상조.
예.
Very nice.
이사봤나 그러면?
In fact, rice porridge is very popular in general, especially in Korea.
일찍 와가지고 이사봤나 아니지?
Very subtle, very tasty.
새기지는 그 전에 얼마나
그건
잘
안 돼요.
아니
인자석 쉽지 않습니다. 예. 12시에 나가면 한 1시. 기차는 티켓 끊기가 되게 힘들어요.
Okay, that's
외국
delicious.
사람들이 한국 KT 저번에 일본
This is a
갔어요.
type of
저번에는 일본
rice
갔어요.
cake. It's called tok in Korean.
일요일에
But this is a special one made for Chuseok. Chuseok is the autumn festival where everybody goes to visit the graves. I've never seen this before. It's specific to Chuseok, type of tok.
그라버리면 그 뒤에 하신 거 노이즈 같은 거 없으세요? 괜찮으세요?
The outside looks like a leaf. It's not. It's rice starch. It's colored green with bean, sweet bean in the middle. Very tasty.
불편한 거 없으세요? 괜찮으세요?
And some blueberry juice to wash it down.
사람이 있거나 그러면 이게 밀려가지고
Okay, I think we're getting out of here. See you later.